Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today we will revise exercise 10.1 perimeter. As you know, we have done it before also, but today we will revise few different kinds of sum from this exercise. Exercise 10, chapter 10, exercise 10.1 mensuration. The topic is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the sides of a two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional figure means the figure which has only length and breadth, no height. So it is known as two-dimensional figure. So the boundary, the length, total length of the sides of the two-dimensional figure is known as its perimeter. Now question number 1, find the perimeter of the given figures. Here you see a triangular shape figure is there, here quadrilateral is there, four-sided figure is there. You have to find the perimeter of these figures. You know how to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of the three sides. Here three sides. So 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. So it will be 12 cm. Understood? Next question is perimeter of this figure. It is 4 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm and 5 cm. It is 6, 7, 12 cm. Okay. Come to the next question. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means side 6 cm with each side measuring 8 cm. It is a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides whose each side measuring 8 cm. What is known as regular hexagon? Regular hexagon means regular shape, means all the sides have same measurement, equal measurement. So this is the meaning of regular. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. In the next question I have given pentagon. You know pentagon means 5-sided figure. So find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 cm. As all the sides have same measure, 6-sided figure, so therefore its perimeter is equal to 6 into 8 meter, each side 8 meter, 6-sided figure. So you can write 48 meter. Perimeter of this regular hexagon is 48 meter. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon. That means 5-sided figure. All the sides are equal length and each side measure 100 cm. Therefore its perimeter will be pentagon 5-sided figure, each side 100 cm. So total length will be 500 cm. Okay. Now come to the next question. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. So it is a square park. Rough sketch I have drawn. It is a square park. Say it is and it is a rectangular park. Rectangular park. It is a square park. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. It's a square park, side is 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park whose length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. So you have to who covers less distance. So it runs around a square park means you have to find the perimeter of the square park. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. You have to find the perimeter of the rectangular park and then you have to compare who covers less distance. That means distance is the perimeter here because they are running around the rectangular park. So you have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of the square, park, each side 75 meter. So 4-sided figure, regular shape, 4 into 75 meter. 4 into 75 meter is equal to 300 meter. Now for bulbul who is running around a rectangular park, its perimeter will be perimeter, 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle, because 260 and 245. So 2 into 60 plus 45 meter equal to 2 into 105 meter equal to 102 meter. Now you see who covers less distance, not more. Who covers less distance? It is 300 and this is 210. Who covers less distance? Therefore bulbul covers. Therefore who is runs around the rectangular park? Bulbul. So bulbul covers less distance. Okay, this is for sweetie and this is for bulbul. Understood? In this way you have to practice this kind of sums from your exercise, and I will give one worksheet also. Thank you, students.